Santosha or happiness is the purpose of life. Whatever we do, we want to be happy. Santosha means samyak tosha. Samyak tosha means happy in all regard. In all regard, how to be happy. The happiness, lasting happiness comes only with the knowledge. With the knowledge alone, we get happiness. In English, there is a phrase, ignorance is bliss. Ignorance cannot give you the happiness. I may say, I am happy just sleeping up to 9 o'clock. But when you get up, it's a whole day is dull. As the knowledge increases, the happiness also increases. Happiness is directly proportional to the knowledge. As the why people are continuously wants to learn, Santosha preceded by in Patanjali Yoga Sutra Swadhyaya. If you want a lasting happiness, never give up the study of higher things in your life. Continuously learning. The moment you say, I have learnt, I have nothing else to learn, your boredom comes. Boredom in life comes. How to stay always happy? Only through the knowledge. Lord is called as Jnana Ananda Swarupa. He is an embodiment of knowledge and bliss. Lord is called as knowledge and bliss personified. Bhagavan, God, it's a knowledge complete, bliss complete. Yesterday I talked about in Bhagavad Gita, God cannot be provoked. I gave a story of Sri Krishna and Durvasa also. Because knowledge complete, bliss complete, so no room for the getting provoked, getting angry. When you are so happy, the small pinpricks in your life won't affect you. Won't affect you. And in the body, this part is called as head. This is the head. Head means at the top. This should be at the top. Why? It should be always connected upwards. The purpose why it is here, it should be always connected to up. The other parts of the body, the feet connected to the groundwards, and the stomach is legs are called as for service. It is for serving the body. Legs are always carrying and serving. Purpose of stomach is maintenance. To maintain the body is a stomach. The shoulders are for the protection of this body, but head is at the top. The legs, whatever we do through our whatever work we do, whatever service we do, whatever maintenance we do through the body, or whatever protection, welfare we do, it all must be directed towards the head. It should be directed towards the head. Head is always connected up. That is called as the head of the family. Head of this pura is always connected higher, and if the head itself is always connected downward to only through the material, what is in for me, boredom comes. Head is not serving the purpose. The purpose, head is at the top. It should always lead a brilliant life, connected at the higher possibilities. Like any organization to survive, always R&D department, always they think 10 years ahead, 20 years ahead. That gives a roadmap. If this is not giving a roadmap for the life, its entire system, it collapses. It collapses. Other day I was walking, one elderly couple looked very worried and very dull. And I didn't ask. Then pondering, I thought they must be worried what response they can give it to Yama. When the death comes, what excuse I can give? Whole life, you had whole life, what excuse? They must be thinking, what excuse? Whole life has gone, worn out, we are here. I am waiting for Yama. What reason I can say? What reason? Yama is very strict. He can't listen. He doesn't want to hear you made 5 properties, 10 million property. He is not interested. The purpose of life, have you acquired this one, this head, did it acquire any divine wealth? Only divine wealth, that the matters for Yama. For others, for other wealth, he doesn't care. I had went to a holiday in Bali, I went there, I went cruise, and no excuse. What divine wealth? This head, this body, head to connect up. We had to change the focus in our life, called as Uparati. Upa means up, Rati. Rati means happiness. We should look for higher source of happiness. Higher source of happiness, higher happiness. Not ordinary happiness, not just a material wealth. Material wealth, it is not going to give you happiness, lasting happiness. It talks about Uparati. Develop taste for higher things in your life. Uparati, when the mind has Uparati, connected higher things, then Titiksha comes. Titiksha means able to endure the pinpricks in life. No one's life is easy. Lot of challenges. Small problems are there, problems here and there. How can I can't say my life is the worst life. Everyone's life is easy. Everyone's life is tough. Everyone has his or her own pinpricks. How to elevate yourself above the pinpricks and still revel santosha. How to get the santosha? You titiksha. Titiksha only to Uparati. Uparati, develop taste for higher things. When you develop higher taste for higher things, the small things, trivial things no longer bothers you. The Uparati should be there. To have the Uparati, what is required, another 2 quality is they are Shama. Shama means mental stability. Stability, you have to associate only with the positive people, not the time wasters who are always on the chit chat and talking about ordinary things. Shama means spend time, quality time with the right people. Shama. Dhamma means sense control through the asana, through the yoga asana. Have the Shama and Dhamma when it is there, and followed by Shraddha. I should have firm belief in what my teacher is talking about. These things you can't learn from the Shastras. What teacher is talking about, when teacher says something, I should pay attention. There is something for me he is talking, I should Shraddha. Utmost faith should be there. When the utmost faith is there, Uparati comes. Uparati means Titiksha comes. When this Uparati and Titiksha are there, Samadhana comes. Samadhana, there is happiness, contentment, joy. Mind is calm, serene. These 6 ways is Shama, Dhamma, Uparati, Titiksha, Shraddha and Samadhana. They are called as Shat Sampatti. We are seeking, if you really are a wealthy person, not to show your bank balance. If you are a really wealthy person, do you have these ones? These one who has these ones, they are called as one with 6 wealths, inexhaustible wealth. Shat Sampatti, that person has, Shat Sampatti, when that person has this head is connected to always higher things. Higher things are called as Brahma. Brahma means higher things. Higher things connect to the higher things. One who connects to the higher things always is called as Brahmana. Like the higher things, the head nourishes the whole body. Brahmana means one who nourishes the whole society. Scripture says everyone must become a Brahmana to make this human the framework worthwhile. This one, Brahmana, means always looking for higher possibilities. Then only you can nourish the society. Then only you can nourish your family. Then only you nourish yourself. This is head. The humans, unlike other species, humans can, when we are sitting, standing, head is pointing up. If this one is not connected to the higher possibilities, it will, instead of vertical, it will come horizontal. It is called as Striyak. Animals are called as Striyak, means horizontal. Head is no longer up. Head is down. Head is down. We are risking the possibility of, for putting the head down, you are risking the possibility of going down into the lower species. If you want to stand up, keep this one high. This is always thinking about the higher possibilities. High, as I said, is Brahma. One, Brahmana means one who is always thinking about the higher possibilities. That is that alone, that way we can keep ourselves sustainable. Otherwise, they're like that person in the park. All our life, the children are interested, right from the childhood. Parents are pushing the children. You go to the tuition, you go to the tuition. My childhood I have not enjoyed. In my youth, I am so busy earning money. I am not enjoying. In my old age, I am the adulthood, I am busy only paying the bills, paying the mortgage. In old age, like those couple, worried. So worried, balastavat krida saktaha, taruna sakta, taruni saktaha, vruddhastavat chinta saktaha, pare brahmani kopina saktaha. Nobody is interested in higher things. Higher possibilities, only all through our life. We are caught up in one or other. Who is interested in the higher possibilities? Adi Shankara, his Jayanti was there a couple of days back. In Bhaja Govindam, he says, nobody is connected to the one who always gives the happiness. Connect to him with the source of Bhaja Govindam, source of lasting happiness. Connect. Then only your head up, it is the purpose of head being up is served. Otherwise, there is no difference between the Striyak animals, the flat, or you, next, you are risking the possibility of slipping down. So, Santosha, learning, Shat Sampatti, we must strive utmost. Come what may, that is the priority in our lives. We should strive for.